I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is today's Lightning Session brought to you by the Bitcoin 2022 conference in Miami Beach, Florida, April 6th through 9th. You can grab your tickets now at b.tc/conference and use code BTC Sessions for 10% off. We'll see you there. Kebab Lord on Twitter wants to know, how do you protect your Bitcoin from $5 wrench attacks, aka somebody physically threatening you for you to send them your Bitcoin? Your two main lines of defense in these scenarios are going to be plausible deniability and managing physical access to your coins. If you're using a single hardware wallet to secure your Bitcoin, you can add a passphrase which will be associated with both the device and your written backup. This passphrase creates a secondary invisible wallet that nobody will even know is there. You can load the regular wallet with a decoy amount of funds and your actual savings onto the passphrase associated wallet. Under duress, simply don't enter your passphrase. The attacker will assume that they've cleared all of your funds when actually they've only gotten the decoy amount. Of course, this can be avoided by not storing your hardware wallet or your backup in your home at all, and rather in a different secure location. To get the best of both worlds, you may want to consider multi-sig. This is a digital vault that requires multiple keys to unlock your funds. For instance, you may have 3 hardware wallets and require at least 2 of them to unlock the vault. By distributing these keys geographically, it would be impossible for an attacker in a single location to gain access to your funds. Furthermore, there's no way to tell that a single key is part of a multi-sig vault, therefore making it a decoy wallet as well. You can load it with decoy funds, and the attacker would be none the wiser. If you'd like to start learning about hardware wallet security and multi-sig, I have multiple full-length video tutorials on my YouTube channel.